Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Do you need a framework to write Ruby or Python code for the web? Introduction. When it comes to building web applications using Ruby or Python, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is whether to use a web framework or write code from scratch. Web frameworks provide a structured way to develop web applications, but they might not always be necessary for every project. In this tutorial, we'll explore the pros and cons of using web frameworks in Ruby and Python and provide code examples to illustrate both approaches. Table of contents. Web frameworks are pre-built structures and libraries that simplify web development by providing a set of tools, patterns, and conventions. They help developers with tasks like routing, handling requests and responses, database interactions, and more. Web frameworks save time, enhance code organization, and improve maintainability. You should consider using a web framework when you might not need a web framework when Ruby on Rails is a popular and powerful web framework for Ruby. It follows the Model View Controller, MVC, pattern and provides many features out of the box. Here's a simple example of a Rails controller. Sinatra is a lightweight Ruby web framework designed for simplicity. It's great for small applications and APIs. Here's a minimal Sinatra example. Django is a high-level Python web framework known for its robustness and built-in features. It follows the MVC pattern. Here's a basic Django view. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework that's easy to get started with. It's ideal for small to medium-sized applications. Here's a simple Flask route. Now, let's compare a basic Hello World application with and without a framework in both Ruby and Python. Ruby without a framework. Python without a framework. In summary, the decision to use a web framework in Ruby or Python depends on your project's complexity, scalability, and your development preferences. Frameworks like Ruby on Rails, Sinatra, Django, and Flask can significantly streamline web development, but there are cases where writing code from scratch might be more suitable. It's essential to evaluate your project's requirements and choose the approach that best fits your needs. ChatGPT.